Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Do not give up. Never ever give up. If you have planned, if you have started learning German, just go for it, take out your time. I am telling you from my experience that a lot of students enrolled for German language course, they spend the money and they spend their time initially, but after some time they gradually give up. They are not able to continue. There are many reasons, but why now? You should have decided earlier. If you don't have sufficient time, then please don't start learning German. It will not only demotivate you, it will also a wastage of money. So plan earlier, think twice before taking admission anywhere, before taking a wise decision that you should go ahead or not, because it's really devastating for you as a from your career perspective. Because if you are not learning properly, if you cannot devote time, you will think that it's difficult or it's not my cup of tea, but that is not the case. The case is that you are not giving sufficient time, you are not able to continue, you don't have time, or maybe other thing that you lose your interest. So maintain your interest by learning in your free time, watching German videos, watching short movies available on the YouTube, and in the free time you can also read from online. There are so many articles, there are so many online study material available nowadays. So just you need to cope up with that and you need to continue. Please don't give up. It's a very beautiful, very wonderful language. I always say just you need to generate your interest, you need to take out some time and be patient. It takes time. It's not an overnight process. It's a gradual process. You cannot learn, you cannot master the language overnight within 2 months or 3 months. No. You can definitely get a certificate A1, A2 or B1 as per your requirement, but you cannot master the language within 2-3 months. It's a gradual process. It takes time. After learning the language, after obtaining the certificate, you must continue with the language. Either you work somewhere or you learn articles, you read some. So after learning German language, after obtaining the certificate, you must continue with the language. Either you engage yourself with some work, German related work, join any company in the German profile, or write something. You can improve your writing skills, write short notes, short poems, short stories based on your respective levels, and you will see, you will realize that after a couple of days, after a couple of weeks, you will have really very good command over the language. So don't skip. This is my suggestion for all the learners, for all the students, that it's a very beautiful language. Go for it, continue learning German language, and you never know when this language can make your career, then this language can make your career in a very beautiful manner that you have never ever thought. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the channel and share it as much as possible. See you next time, and keep watching German, keep learning with me. Bye bye, take care.